So I just got the MacBook. Oh, it's just so cute. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys already looked at the title, I'm getting a MacBook. I'm getting a MacBook. I have to rush this intro because my mom is like mad that I'm late. I'm getting just, let me show you guys the fit. My tripod broke as well, so I need to get a new tripod. Let me show you. Look. Yeah. Chai. Let me put you guys here. This is the fit. I wanted something comfortable, nothing too like. So we got these Hoochie Daddy shorts, simple little jacket, New Balance shoes, Nike, you know. But it looks weird, ne? The reason why I say it looks weird is because I'm wearing like so many different brands, head to toe, Adidas, Puma, Nike, New Balance. So like it's either, and then when I take off this shirt, when I take off this shirt, enye futhi brand Sangani. So I took off the jacket. I think this is fine. But like my mom keeps rushing me. Who's driving? And oh, it's my brother. Let me sit the other side. But I'm gonna meet y'all at the mall. So we just got to the mall. We're at the mall. So yeah, I'm back in Durban. I don't know, I just think it's kind of weird because like, if you watch my earlier vlogs from this year, when I moved into Riz, I also bought my phone here. I've never bought like expensive stuff in Durban. I don't know why. Yeah, Saba, but yeah. Yeah, so I'm gonna buy the MacBook Neo. I wasn't gonna buy it, but like the lady recommended that I do, considering that I edit, I study and do all that stuff in it. So she said it was okay. She's just gonna go stick talk for me, but I think I'm gonna choose between the silver and the blue. I told her, and this is like a bigger gigabytes, whatever. But yeah, essentially we're just looking for like a MacBook Neo, a MacBook that can help me edit for YouTube, edit for TikTok, also to like, how can I do this? Also study, because I'm a student obviously, and I told her, does it support like platforms that are like Canva, because I design, I'm a social media manager, Adobe, CapCut, Lightroom, does it support all that? She's like, yeah, it does. So I'm just happy that if it supports that, then everything else should be okay. So we just got the MacBook. I want a screen protector because my current laptop, the old one, the screen cracked, right? The screen cracked. So I'm very scared it will happen again. I don't want to lie. It's because I didn't have a cover for it and it broke one day in matric when I wanted to complete my assignments in life science and my bag was here. So right now we're gonna go, because my screen protector on my phone is quite shit, so I won't lie. So we're gonna go to Typo, see what covers they have for my phone, screen protectors as well. And yeah. Anyways, my phone died while I was still explaining, but yeah, we're gonna go to like a little China store where they sell those stuff from China, bruh. So we, because yeah, I've been looking for it and I couldn't find it. So we're gonna go there. Also, I wanna find another pair of shorts. I just don't know where to look. I think I'll go to... I ended up buying a cover like I told you guys about it as well. So I want to get this phone cover. It's like 300, which is a bit much, but my phone is blue, if you guys know my phone. Okay, I'm clocking out. This is for the 16 Pro. Shit. Hold on. Okay. Thank you. Where's the 15? I'm still looking. Hello. Okay, there's these, but I don't like the colors. Truly, like, why is it like orange there? I don't want that. Because if that's the case, then that means I can't buy a cover here. These are all 15, those weird color. Joe, guys. Okay, there's this one. This is kind of cute. My phone's blue, so it'll match, and it says like 15 there. Same price. So let's just put that here. Hell no. I think that's it. I think we'll take this though. And then I don't know where to get a screen protector. I don't wanna get it from Pakistan, because those people, they scam you for your money's worth. Okay, let's buy this. The Panda store, it's like a China mall store. Yeah. Hey, you see now.
Why do you always record it?
For YouTube, can you how do YouTubers do? Yes, I am full.
Hi, Dad.
I'm full. That's already passed. I already said that. So we bought the cover. Hey, I felt bad, so I donated that 15 rand to go typo, where they donate 15 rand towards kids. We found the store. Okay, let's go see what's inside. I found these just so cute. Like, I don't know if I should get that one with the white or this one. I want either this one in the center or this one on the far left over here. Okay, so before we actually get into the unboxing of the MacBook Neo, I just feel like there's so much, like, not controversy, but just a lot of shit to be spoken about the MacBook Neo. And when I posted my unboxing on TikTok, somebody commented some shit like, oh my god, you're so easily influenced. Hey, ako ini MacBook. Umayo ini MacBook. Anyways, guys, enjoy the unboxing. Yeah, guys, as you can see, it came with the charger. This is really cute. Extremely cute. And I just got the adapter.